Morning, welcome to a new video of Willem Hank. Today we have Big Jaap with us.
Hey.
Yeah! We are in the Black Forest. We are here for a whole week and visit some abandoned locations. Probably do some explore some Maginot bunkers. But we'll see what we're gonna do. So here's a map of the area, and today we're going to do some hiking. Yeah, seems like we're here. We're at the Allerheilige, it's called, meaning like most holy, or literally translated All Saints. But anyway, so we're going to walk about 15 kilometers through the mountains of the Black Forest, about 1,000 meters of elevation in about three big climbs of about 300 meters. So quite intense, but we'll see how that goes. You excited, Big Jaap?
Very excited.
Yeah. So this is a monastery. I'm not sure how old it is, but it's not that recent, as you can see. Very nice. Not sure if you can see it, but we just walked up this mountain. I think it's about 50 meters elevation. So now we're at this trail. So let's continue. Some sort of a teepee on this forest road. Yeah. Oh, under there. Yeah, nice teepee. So to hide from the rain or something. Wow, it's a nice mountain there. Nice mountaintop. So we're hoping you're gonna get up there, because I think you'll have a very nice view. Now we're gonna climb this mountain, like for 400 meters, this kind of elevation, and in this tempo, like Big Jaap is now doing. So let's go. We just walked up this mountain. This is the first view. Nice view with Willem Hank and Big Jaap. Woohoo! We just walked through this bush trail over this mountaintop, all through here. So now it seems that we're at a sort of a plateau. So Big Jaap already checked it out. He said it was jaw-dropping. So let's see. It's another nice view with Willem Hank and Big Jaap. Very nice. Check that out. Wow, man. And you know what time it is? It's time for coffee with Willem Hank and Big Jaap. Look at that view. Nice. And coffee with Willem Hank and coffee with Big Jaap. Very nice. Coffee with Willem Hank and Big Jaap. Yeah. Enjoying this beautiful view. What do you think, Big Jaap?
I think this is the best place
to
eat some beef jerky.
You're totally right, man. I almost forgot that. After some coffee with Willem Hank and Big Jaap, back on the trail. Now we're just gonna get up this hill again and then actually go down this mountain to visit some waterfalls. So really curious how that's going to look. So, yeah.
We will see you there.
Yeah. So look at this beautiful view again with Willem Hank and Big Jaap. So we're on our way to the waterfalls. And you probably can hear them. So let's check them out. Oh, look how this branch is growing. Really cool. Really weird. This is a World War I memorial, as you can see. So the waterfalls are probably down here. Not sure if you can see it, but quite a distance down along this snake trail. Not really waterfalls, or maybe just small ones, but it's very nice anyway. So this is the waterfall. Really cool. See if we can get a little closer. It's really cool, man. Look at that. Don't fall, big job. It runs all the way down there. Look at that. We're now at the Romantic Bridge. Really cool. Cool stuff. Again, it doesn't end with the cool stuff. So this is the next waterfall, and this is how it runs down into here, and then on from here down the mountain. It runs also down here as well, and that's where Big Jaap is walking. Look at that, really cool. This is the Edelflower, yep. And just another waterfall. Really cool. After the waterfalls, we are going back uphill. Yeah. And a nice typical German village. We hiked about 10 kilometers to the mountains. Pretty okay. We climbed 2 mountains, and now we're going to climb another one, and I think it's that one. So pretty nice, and also we have a very nice view here. So as you can see, really cool. Here we go, up the mountain. We just climbed up a mountain, and as you can see, we're at a much higher altitude at the moment than we were before. But it was quite a climb. Hey, Jaap?
Yes.
Yeah, it was very nice. So now we're going to look to see if we can find a spot to have some lunch and coffee with Willem Hank. Woo! Yeah. I found a spot for the lunch. This is a viewpoint, and we're gonna disturb someone. That's a nice view with Willem Hank and Big Jaap. Amazing. Look at that. So Jaap, what do you have for lunch?
I have some adventure food, but not just any adventure food. It's gurias.
Oh, wow, it's gurias. Wow, it's amazing. So what does Willem Henk have? Oh, it's amazing. It's pasta al salmone. Amazing. Look at that view. Is that amazing? Really nice. Good place to have some lunch and coffee with Willem Henk. The water is boiling. Add some water. So stir it up a bit. And then we have some nice pasta salmone. Yeah. Close it up. And wait for 10 minutes. So how's Big Jaap doing? Oh, look at that. It's amazing. Oh, there's a coffee with Big Jaap. Ooh. Everything okay, Big Jaap?
Back pain with Big Jaap.
That's not nice. That's not what we wanted.
Woo! But nothing some adventure food won't solve.
Yeah. Wie deserves this? Nice pasta salmone. And what do you have?
I have some gurias.
Gurias. Yum, 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 yum.
Tastes like adventure.
Yeah. Can't have enough of this. So nice. Fresh salmon. So, after a nice meal, of course, coffee with Willem Henk. Very nice. So we had some food, some coffee with Willem Henk. So we're going to another waterfall now. It's a hike of about 2 kilometers, I think. And then we're almost back because then we have to hike another 1.5, 2 kilometers back to the car. And as you can see, Big Jaap is hiding from the rain. So yeah, but it started raining a little bit, not that much. So, but yeah, onto the waterfalls. So we're going downhill again. Big Jaap almost fell off the mountain. So we've arrived at the Allerheilige Waterfalls. Cool stuff. So there seems to be one. And there are 5 in total. Really cool. So there's another one. And the next one. So this was the last of the waterfalls. We visited those waterfalls as well. Very nice to see. We're going to walk back to the monastery where we parked our car this morning. It's about 1 kilometer or so. So I won't be bore you with that. So we're going to conclude this video for today. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. And I also got to say that, but this time I don't. Like and subscribe. Especially like, because it helps the channel a lot. Getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
Join the Willem Henk army today.
Yeah, join the Willem Henk army, yeah. So we're going to conclude this video for today. And see you in the next video. Willem Henk!